everyone. My name is Joanna Fernandez and I will be your narrator for today. So today I'm going to tell you a story about two cats and a monkey. But first, let me introduce to you our main characters for today.
Hello guys, I'm Lisa and today I'm gonna be the cat, which is Meow Meow. Hello guys.
Hello, my name is Anis. I'll be playing the role of a cat named Wow Meow.
Hello Wow Meow.
Hello, Meow Meow.
Hello, I'm Rosjani and I will be playing a role of monkey named Kiki.
Hello Kiki, nice to meet you.
Hello Meow Meow, nice to meet you too. Hello Wong Meow.
Wow, what cheerful characters we have today. So everyone, are you excited to hear our story? Now, we will begin in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Once upon a time, there lived two cats near a village. They were close friends. They played together, slept together, and went everywhere together. Suddenly, one day there was no food for both of them. The two cats went for the search of food. They found a loaf of bread. They both wanted the bread as they were very hungry. They began to fight over it. One cat said,
Meow Meow, I want to eat that. I'm very hungry right now.
Oh no, it is my bread. You cannot eat it because it is mine. I found it first.
But I saw the bread first. I want it. I want to eat. I'm very hungry right now.
No, you cannot. It is mine. I don't want to give it to you.
While Meow Meow and Wong Meow were fighting and busy quarreling, without they realizing, a monkey in the tree, seeing them fighting, said to himself,
It will be great if I get that bread. Ha 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 ha! It looks yummy. Yum yum yum.
He then came to the cats and said,
Hey guys, wait. Why are you quarreling? I will settle your fight. Leave it to me.
Both the cats agreed to his proposal. The monkey then split the bread into two uneven pieces. One piece was large and the other piece was small. Then he ate a portion from the larger piece.
Kiki, why you eat that? That was my bread.
Oh my god, my bread now is gone. Why you eat it? It is mine. You cannot eat it.
This made the other piece larger, so it took a bite from the other piece too. Likewise, this made the monkey eat the whole loaf of bread.
Oh no, Kiki! Do you eat the whole bread? Oh no, I want to eat that bread. I am so hungry. How dare you, Kiki?
Oh my god, it is my bread. You finished all of it. Now we don't have food to eat. There is no food here. I am very hungry. You are a bad monkey, Kiki.
As Wong Meow and Meow Meow continued quarreling and crying, the monkey Kiki climbed back the tree laughing at the both cats.
I'm full today.
In the end, two foolish cats couldn't able to eat anything. So guys, so everyone, the moral of the story is when you quarrel, someone else gains. When two people fight, the third one always gets the profit. So that's the end of our story. Hope you enjoyed it and got the moral value. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you later.
Hi, I'm Nafata Hadira. I'm the director, editor and scriptwriter for storytelling, Two Cats and a Monkey. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay safe and take care everyone.